Hi friends, welcome to another extreme cleaning video. Today we're going to be working on my disaster of a kitchen. As you can see here, there is so much stuff all over the place. Most of the stuff that's on the floor is just stuff that Riley has thrown all over the place. He's in a throwing fit mode lately, and we have a big thing of laundry to put in the laundry room so I can do the laundry, and then of course my basket of cleaning essentials I just need to put in my laundry room for right now as well. And Riley just woke up and he really wants his mommy's attention, so I'm going to give him some attention for a little bit while I'm doing what I can. This basket is going to be so hard to pull through this right here because of all of the bed sheets and comforters and the fact that there's just so much stuff behind the door, like brooms and mops that are just blocking it from opening all the way. I struggle sometimes, it's a struggle. These two baskets that I'm picking up right now, they are of a bunch of sippy cups and bottle stuff that I put aside. I'm going to go through them. If I cannot find the lids to them or matches to any of it, I'm just going to toss it. So that way I can kind of declutter his bottles because he has way too many and I can never find the lids to any of them or whatever pieces to them. I just never find them. I'm sorry you guys can't see everything I'm picking up off the floor. I should have had the camera pointing down a little bit more. This large Kohl's bag is just going to be a bag I'm going to fill up with stuff I'm going to either donate or throw away. There's like random socks in here I need to throw in the laundry room as well. This is a picture that Jaden drew. It's like of a Pokemon character. I'm really proud of her. It's really good. And then there's a basket full of water bottles I'm going to find a new home for, and hopefully all the water will make it to our bellies. I love using this method heavy duty degreaser spray on a lot of things that are hard to scrub off. I think it really does help get all the nasty grime up a lot easier. I'm just going to go over it again with the Caldrea Caldrea countertop spray. This stuff smells amazing. It is in Tangelo Pomme Fronde and I love the smell, and it really does a good job cleaning as well. I gotta light this beautiful scented candle. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I got it from Walmart if you guys are wondering, and it smells amazing. This water bottle is like not fitting anywhere. And now I'm going to go over the really yucky areas with the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cream over the Method Degreaser spray, and just kind of give it a little scrub so it can sit for about 15 minutes and I can just wipe it all right off. Another random Nerf bullet. I'm going to be making these cookies today and taking them to my mom's barbecue. The wall behind the garbage gets so dirty and gross. Oh my gosh, like probably later today it'll be gross again. And now I'm going to use my favorite Method Glass and Surface Cleaner in the scent Waterfall on my windows. I had to change my shirt because I was scrubbing the thing that had the garbage on it and I got water all over me. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there is blue paint on the ground and it will not come off. I have to get something a little bit heavier duty to get it off. Now to finish doing all of the dishes. Yay! This load is mostly baby bottle and sippy cup tops and stuff. I'm basically just sanitizing it all because I've already soaked them and hand washed them, but I'm sanitizing them as well. Alright, finally it is nice and clean. I am so excited I finally got it done. I felt like I was never going to be able to. It looks so much better. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I hope it brought you motivation and I hope you had fun watching this. And like always, you guys, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!